Experiencing a blank screen with your Lorex NVR? The most common causes are issues with the DisplayPort, cable, or resolution settings. First, physically inspect the HDMI or VGA port on your NVR for any damage like bent pins or dust accumulation. Next, ensure you're using a high-speed HDMI cable, Category 2 for 4K resolution. Faulty or low-quality cables are frequent culprits. Try swapping it with a known good cable to rule this out. Finally, resolution mismatches can cause a black screen. Your NVR might be set to a resolution that your monitor doesn't support. We'll cover how to adjust this in the next section. First, power cycle your NVR. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Power on the NVR first, then your monitor. This resets the handshake protocol between the devices. To adjust the resolution, access your NVR's menu via the Lorex mobile app or web portal, going to Settings, Display, Resolution. Ensure your NVR firmware is up to date, as recent updates improve HDMI compatibility and automatic resolution detection. If problems persist, try connecting to a different display to isolate the issue. As a last resort, contact Lorex support or a certified technician for further assistance. A high percentage of users have been able to fix this with just a few steps.